Yo everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today I am very happy to show you guys yet another Primark haul. I actually went to Watford Primark. That's the one I generally tend to go because I find it has the best range of makeup and stuff in general, plus it's tidy and it's clean and I don't have to deal with crazy people. Yeah, so I actually went to Zara to return something and ended up coming out from Primark. You know how these things just happen. Anyway, so got a bag here, obviously. Here it is. It's a big one. So some makeup and some other random stuff. So I'm just going to show you. So I got these sandals. I believe they've actually been out for a while, but I obviously haven't been to Primark in ages. These were £12. They're like Gladiator Sandals and they proper sparkle like in the sun. And they're so cool. I've actually worn these. They're worn. I wore them yesterday. They've got a really squidgy base. And even though I'm a size 6, just in case anybody's wondering, they're a little bit loose, which I actually prefer because when it comes to shoes like this, you know, as the day goes on and your feet swell, the straps can start to kind of strangle your feet slightly, but it doesn't happen with these. So I really, really like them. Plus they're only £12. And me being me, if I see something I like, I get it in more than one colour. I haven't worn these yet, that's why they're still attached. So I also got them in this beigey sort of colour. So I can't wait to wear them. I got these rollers, big rollers. Well, they're kind of medium big sort of size. They're £2, so I'm gonna try them. If you guys want me to do like a video using these, because I don't think I don't really do hair videos, to be honest. You guys know me by now. It's either up in a bun or in a ponytail or it's down, and when I have time I do curls, so I have time now. So I got these. Don't laugh and don't get excited either. When it happens, you guys will be the first to know. I got this bridal kit. It says bride to be on the pouch. It's £4, but the reason I got it is it's called an essentials kit. I think they had a bridesmaids one too. Inside it is a mini nail file, clear hair ties, a sewing kit, a hair clip, a mini comb, cotton buds and cotton pad, earring backs, bobby pins and a tiny mirror. It's not bad for £4, and to fit it into something like this for when you're traveling or as an emergency in your car or whatever. I got myself a new brush because I needed one. This was 90p. Really good, and it's like a flat kind of one. They had a rounded one, but I prefer these ones just because I've got quite long and thick hair, so it easily kind of covers areas fast. I got this heat resistant glove. It was gloves, even 2 of them, and it was £2. I got it because I do use my hot curlers tongs sometimes. It did come with a glove, but then it comes with 1 glove. This one at least comes with 2, and I have on occasion burnt myself, so it's handy to be able to get this for just £2. I wish I'd seen this before I went to New York, but they didn't have it then. This is called the travel bottle set, and it's £2, and inside it is a cloth, a comb with a tiny brush, 2 little bottles, one with a pump, and then like those lip balm type ones, and then it comes in this cute little package which I'm trying to open, but it hasn't been opened yet, so I got that. Random thing, they have a bridal section at the moment, by the way. It's in their trending section. This is called Bride Tribe, and they're body pearls, so they're basically stickers. I actually bought this for YouTube mostly, or when I want to feel like playing around with makeup and being a little bit fun. So I got that, and it was £2. I got this eyeshadow palette. It's called Bronze Shade and Shimmer, and it's coconut fragranced. It smells quite nice actually. Here's what it looks like. It reminds me for some reason of the Queen of Hearts palette by Coloured Rain. So I quite like the look of it. It's got a nice mixture of metallics and mattes, so I'm looking forward to using this. Okay, and in their trending section was also the Kpop range, and I'm actually using it all over my face today, and I filmed this makeup tutorial. So I got this. It's the Kpop Sugar Rush eyeshadow palette, which is cherry fragrance. Smells lovely. This is what it looks like. Very pastel, very Kpop type of palette. Quality is pretty good. But the shades, as you can see on my eyes, I'm using around. I had to layer it quite a bit because they are very pale sort of shades, as Kpop is supposed to be. Then they also had this one here, which is called Kpop Sweet Cheeks. It's called a blush and highlight palette. But from when I've used these, I don't think you can use these as a blush. They're too shimmery. But oh my god, the quality is excellent. This one here, Candy Floss, is actually what I'm wearing on my cheekbones. Lemon Sorbet is what I'm using on my brow bone. Jelly Bean I'm using on my tear duct. And Bon Bon I'm not using at all, but yeah, really good. Also from the Kpop range, I got these two why can't I hold it? Disabled hand. The Bubble Blush, which is Cushion Blushes. This one is in the shade Coral Dreams, which I've not used yet. And this one is called Pastel Pink, and that's what I'm actually wearing right now. First time I used it, I didn't use it very well, and it moved my foundation. Then I figured out how to use it properly, and it was fine. You just have to kind of tap it on, and I was brushing it like an idiot. And this is what the colour itself looks like. It's quite soft, but as you can see, once you build up the colour, you can build it up to the intensity that you want. I also got these Afterglow liquid highlighters. This one is the shade, doesn't say guys, sorry. So this one is like a purpley colour and this one's like a pinky colour. I'm using it actually on my lower lash line and it's not bad, but I've not actually used it on my face, so I can't really say whether it's good or bad. But I got both of them. And then they also had these Kpop Pillow Talk matte lip cushions which contain vitamin E, and I've actually mixed two of them to get this lip look right here. This is in the shade, where are the shade names, man? I don't know. Maybe it was on the plastic packaging, which Primark is known to do. They put it on the plastic, but then when you take the plastic off, it's gone. So this is like a corally shade, this is a pinky shade, and this is more of a purpley shade. Between you and me, it's not good quality. Like, look. Can you see that line in my lips? I've only had it on 15 minutes. So I got these as well. They're okay. But not something I would really recommend, to be honest. It's a bit, yeah. But I like the other stuff, especially this cheek palette. So that's it. Very quick haul. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Like, comment, make sure you subscribe. And I will see you all in the next one. Bye.